Welcome back to Campbell Spanish Tutorials, the series designed for English speakers in the United States to help them with Spanish classes in school and to prepare to travel in Latin America. Now this video is a follow-up of the one that teaches numbers to 60. So if you haven't mastered that material yet, please go back to that one and learn that material. If you're ready to continue learning how to count in Spanish, let's get started with the next lesson, numbers to 100. This will also serve as a bit of a review of some of the numbers you've learned. Let's count by tens to 100. The first time or two you watch this, just listen and repeat. Remember, your goal is to be able to think about a number or to see a number and to say it in Spanish. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Otra vez, that's a cool word. It means do it again. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, if you need to rewind and practice a few more times, feel free. But while this lesson is how to count to 100 in Spanish, we're going to give you just a little bit of a bonus lesson so that you can actually go a little bit beyond 100. Now you learned that the word for 100 is 100. If you want to go beyond 100, 101, 102, etc., just change that word 100 to ciento. Then follow that with the numbers that you've already learned. For example, 101, 101. 102, 102. 125, 125. 143, 143. Be sure that you're saying 101, 101. Don't say 101. A lot of people want to put that E in there. You don't use that. So it would just be 101, 102, 103, 101, 102, 103, etc. All the way up to 199, 199. Okay, so here's what you want to be able to do. Recognize numbers when you hear them in Spanish, and then say numbers in Spanish. So if you're not quite there yet, not a problem. Just rewind, go back to the beginning, and practice until you're comfortable with the skills that you need to develop. So let's move to the practice section of this video. You're going to see some numbers on the screen. As soon as you see them, say them in Spanish. Then I will say them in Spanish to confirm whether you got it right or not. And remember, if you need a little more time to think about it, just hit the pause button. 83. 68. 32. 94. 49. 76. 58. 122. 171.